Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sushrita and I make makeup videos. In today's video we'll be talking about how to slim out your face while doing makeup and how to cut the extra meat in your face and make your face look very slim and very flawless and give right shadows, dimension and depth to your face while doing makeup and make you look amazingly beautiful. We'll be talking about all these things in this today's video. So guys, before doing so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so that you get notified for all the videos whenever I upload. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first and foremost thing before we start doing makeup is like prepping your skin. Dry skin, you can see my lips, it's dry, yes. So you can check out if you have a dry skin or oily skin. If you have an oily skin, definitely skip this part, but if you have dry skin, so the first thing you do is apply some facial oil. So once you put this oil, you can see the instant difference. You can see the shine in my face. So let the oil sink into your face. Wait for like a minute or so. Then you apply any moisturizer of your choice. So I'll be using this product on my skin. You can absolutely use any of your favorite moisturizer which suits your skin. Make sure you cover your neck as well. I've already moisturized my skin and applied some facial oil, and you can definitely see the difference in my skin in the texture. So now I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. Okay, this much I have taken. This primer. Definitely use primer before you apply any kind of makeup in your skin. This will like create a base between your makeup and your skin, and evens out the texture. I mean, the skin becomes really smooth after you apply this primer, any primer for that matter. Its job is to mattify your face. Okay, we are done. Yes, let it set for like a minute or so. We'll be applying this foundation, L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I'll be applying this foundation. You can apply any foundation of your choice and which suits your skin type and your texture. If you have oily skin, don't use this foundation. If you have dry skin, this is the best foundation, budgeted foundation. Oh my god, I was about to drop this. Okay, this is a very nice foundation for dry skin, so I use it and this is my personal favorite. Won't be able to hide all the pigmentation and spots just because I have applied this. I have kept this ring light on, so you might not be seeing, but still some pigmentation is there, still seen. We'll cover everything, don't worry. If you want, you can take another coat of foundation, but I won't be doing it. So now what I'll do, I will be taking a concealer, whatever concealer you like. Make sure it is little lighter to your skin tone. Look, this is little light to my skin tone, and I'll be applying in all the places in my face where light strikes. These are all my high points of my face. This will clearly cover your dark circles, pigmentation, acne marks. I don't have any acne marks, but I have a lot of discoloration and pigmentation on my face. So I will be covering. You have to apply here. You know, this is the highest point of your face. This bridge of your nose, all these places. Whenever you flash a light strikes back. So these are all your high points of your face. How it looks, you can see loose powder. So I'll be using Fit Me ka loose powder just to set the concealer. To avoid wrinkles, any fine lines, foundation powder. Using sugar contour. This is a mini bronzer 01 topper here. You need any if you don't have any brush, you can use any eyeshadow brush for doing so. Just place the product here and bring it towards your this bone, cheekbone. Okay, till here you have to get, and you just have to blend the products upwards. Take the product and blend it upwards. Take the product and blend it upwards. Okay, just pull it here. Never put the contour here and then drag it towards the ears. No, that's the wrong way. So you have to place it here and drag the product towards your hairline. Look, like that. You can slim out your face if you do this, if you practice doing this, definitely. This can be also done after foundation and foundation powder if you have applied. And if you don't have concealer, apply 2 coats of concealer and then do this. Okay, make sure you blend the product in your skin so that you don't see any fine lines. Okay, we have done it here. Now we have to look. I have very thick, I have a lot of meat here in this area, so I have to cut here as well. So what you have to do, you don't have to do it on your jaws. I mean, here you don't have to do because you had applied concealer here, so avoid this area. But just below that, you just have to contour. Okay, and bring the products towards your neck. You have to pull the products towards your neck so that it gives proper shadows in your skin. Look, this way. I use this brush. You can also use a brush like that, angled brush. You can also use it from LA Girl blush palette. So I will just do the same process with a bigger brush. Whatever I did with the smaller brush, okay, with the smaller brush, I'll repeat the same process with the bigger brush. cool. So in forehead, what I'll do, I'll take my sponge and I'll just balance it so that no harsh lines are seen. So that's how I have just balanced my face. No, I haven't. I have taken a banana powder. If you don't have, again you can skip this process. You can use your foundation powder, any foundation powder you have. I use this powder to just give to complete the look, to clean my contour. So I'll take this product. What happened? So I'll just clean. You see? Yeah, like that. I'll just clean the contour. I have not done nose contour. I'll just keep the powder like that for some time. You see, I've given proper shadows to my face, so that's how I look. Now what I'll do is I'll do a little contour on my nose. Just start from your eyebrows. Take a brush like that, any brush will do, and bring it till your nose. Okay, like that. The same way this side. Any brown eyeshadow will also do, and make a V here. If you have a nose like me, or if your nose is super flat, you can do this process just to slim out your nose as well, and make a divider here, just one cut. Okay, that's it, done. Now we have to blend the product. Now I will take a clean brush, any brush will do, any clean brush. Yeah, I have taken a clean brush and I'll just blend out. The product to my skin, so nobody gets to know that I have applied some shadows on my face. After such a long time, I'm doing video while talking to you, or else I do voiceover, and I'm doing this video in English after a very long time. Initially I used to do in English, but somehow I stopped. So my look is pretty much complete. Only 2-3 steps are there. I won't be doing any eyeshadow in this video. I'll be doing it, but you can see my eyeshadow in the later part. So I'll take a clean brush like this, and I'll just dust off the excess powder which I had applied on my loose powder. So that is it, pretty much done. To just diffuse your contour, if you think your contour is like too harsh, so mine is not. But if you think that contour is, you have put a lot of shadow, lot of bronze, you bronzed your face too much, then you can diffuse it with a blush. I'm using Lakme 925. Oh my god, I don't find brush when I need. Okay, so tap tap tap, not too much of color I want. So that's how you diffuse the contour. So now everything looks pretty much blended, and that's how you complete the look. No, it's not done. One more step, final step is there. So now we have to highlight our face. So I'm using Maybelline metallic highlighter. Yes, I have broken this. It's broken. Time has come to goodbye this product because I love this product, but it's broken and it's really messy. It falls everywhere and it's too difficult to clean. So now I've taken this brush. This is a pencil brush. I've taken this this is my highlighter brush, so I'll just apply it in the tip of my nose, in the bridge of my nose, and in the high points of my face. This is my in my cheekbones. That's it on my lips. You should be very careful while using this because it shouldn't be applied in the wrong place, or else when you have a flash photography, if you have cameras with flash, it won't look good. So that's how I've applied more here. So yeah, done, pretty much done. So you can see the difference how I look after I contour my face, and you can definitely not skip contouring. You should definitely do contouring. If you don't have any fat in your skin, still you should do contour because it will give you a very nice shadow and your face will look very sculpted. So definitely don't miss contouring, and I'll meet you after my eye makeup.
So guys, this is my final look. Hope you guys like it. And for the eye makeup, you can definitely check out the eye button. I will just mention the link there. And this was my whole tutorial about how to make your face look slimmer and how to get that proper shadows and dimensions in your face, and how to cut that extra meat from your face so you look flawless. For more such interesting makeup tutorials, do subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.